Welcome to Astro Services Kannan YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the Prasanam chart of today's game that will be held in Dubai between Sunrise Hyderabad and Kings 11 Punjab teams. So Sunrise Hyderabad is the home team and Kings 11 Punjab is the away team for today's game. The time this chart is prepared here in Singapore is 10:59:04 a.m. So the star moon transiting during this time is Mirgasirisha, which is a Mars star. But when the game starts, moon will be transiting in the nakshatra or star of Rahu, which is Arudra star, and the ruling planets, if you look at it, the most important planets today what we see is Venus and Saturn. So let's move to the Rasi chart to see what it generally conveys as a whole. We can see the Lagna is Kumbham. Kumbham is the Aquarius. In English we call this Rasi as Aquarius, which is the Rasi of Saturn, and the Lagna Lord is in 12th house. This is not at all favorable for the home team when we look at it in general. And we have seen in the ruling planet, Saturn is one of the important planets and it is in 12th house. It doesn't bode well for the home team. And the other planet which is important, what we have seen in the ruling planet is Venus, and we can see here Venus is in the 7th house. 7th house is the away team's house, and the 7th house lord, the lord of Leo is Sun, is in the 8th house. So when a planet is in 8th house, generally it is malefic to the Lagna, and Sun is a natural malefic for the Aquarius Lagna, and it is favorably positioned for the away team. It is in the 2nd house from its house. It is in the 8th house, that is bad for the Lagna, that is the home team. It is in the 8th house which is really good for the away team. So let's move on to see what we see in advanced KP stellar astrology about this Prasanam. So when we see in the Vedic chart, home team is not favorable, but for the away team it is really favorable. So when we look in the advanced KP stellar astrology way of looking at planets, the Lagna sublord Saturn is showing 412. 4 generally means there will be a heavy competition and hard work being done by the home team, but despite that they will lose, because the 12th house generally represents that it is a loss. And in this case, for this particular Prasanam, the Lagna sublord and the 7th house sublord are the same. But here also you can see it is showing 412. But for the 7th house, this 412 will act like 610. 6 is the house what we generally say is convincingly winning over your enemies. In general we say. So here we have to take the team who is opposing you. So it is really good, like when it is showing 12, but for the away team this 12 will act like 6, this 4 will act as 10, so they will achieve success. So for today's game we can say Kings 11 Punjab is very well positioned to win this game. And also we have to see the house of satisfaction and fulfillment for the home team. It is also showing 812. There will be pain and sorrow and there will be a loss. So we can say this particular game is favoring the away team Kings 11 Punjab. And when we look at Kings 11 Punjab's house of satisfaction and fulfillment, we can see it is very well connected to two six houses, which we say it is really excellent. And if you look at the foreign players today, may not be doing or performing better than the Indian local players. Indian local players today will do very well compared to the foreign players, because the foreign play, even in the Rasi chart, if I have to see, Moon, from Moon if we see, Ketu is in 6th house, which is really good for the local players, and Rahu in 12th house from Moon, which is not good for the foreign players. So for today's game, the key will be the local players, in my opinion. So especially Kings 11 Punjab players, local players, Indian players will do well. So for for me, my take in this game is Kings 11 Punjab to win the today's game that will be held in Dubai on 8th October 2020. Thank you all.